Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Herenda Nur Fauzia. I'm from State University of Surabaya and my major is English Literature. Today, I would like to invite you to reflect on an important issue that affects the direction of our nation and our future together. The role of higher education as a tool to reduce social inequality. Ladies and gentlemen, when we hear the word higher education or college, we may think of books, exams, and diplomas. But higher education is much more than. It is not just a pathway to employment, but an opportunity to break inequalities that are passed down from generation to generation. But the real question is, whose future is it for? Is it only for those born into affluent families? Or should it be for everyone without exception? We need to understand that social inequality is one of the biggest problems in the world, including in our country. The gap between the rich and the poor is still very wide. Access to healthcare, decent jobs, even decent housing were all often determined by family background. This is where higher education should come in as a bridge to close that gap. Imagine this simple difference. A child from a wealthy family usually has access to good school, private tutor, and even social network that open doors to top university. On the other hand, a child from a poor family often struggles in a school that lacks facilities, guidance, and even a clear picture of the future. By the age of 18, one child is already far ahead, while the other is still struggling to catch up. This is clearly unfair. However, this injustice is not destiny. Higher education can be a bridge to change the story. Higher education provides opportunities to people improve their lives. Students who come from modest families have the opportunity to acquire knowledge, skills, and networks that will improve their lives. Many studies show that higher education graduates tend to have better incomes, more stable jobs, and greater access to social opportunities. Therefore, higher education should really be used as a tool to reduce social inequality. How? First, higher education paves the way for economic ability. A university degree does not guarantee wealth, but it markedly increases opportunities. College graduates tend to get more stable jobs, higher salary, and opportunities to escape the cycle of poverty. We can see many true stories, students who become the first graduate in their family, and then with their knowledge are able to rise the economic status of the family. This economic mobility is an important weapon to fight inequality. Second, higher education creates fair opportunities. Scholarship programs, tuition accession, and affirmation pathway for area are examples of how a university can balance opportunities. Talent is everywhere, but opportunity is not always. By providing access to students from various backgrounds, university ensure that success is not longer determined by the social status of parents, but by individual effort and ability. Indonesia alone, programs such as KIP lecture have opened doors to thousands of students who never imagined they could go to college. Third, higher education creates social awareness and empathy. The campus is not only a place to learn theory, but also the space to meet students from cities and villages, from rich and poor families, from diverse culture all gathered in the same page. This meeting gave birth to a valuable experience, understanding difference, appreciating diversity, and building social care. From this, a generation that is not only smart but also caring is born. However, we must also be honest about the challenge. Higher education has great potential, but access is uneven. High tuition fees, inequality of basic education, and social barriers such as gender discrimination or the rural-urban difference still stand in the way at young. In fact, some are the road to the economic pressure. So if we want higher education is to truly reduce it more affordable, more inclusive, and more favorable to those who need to most. What should be done? First, expand scholarship and financial aid. Second, strengthen coaching program for first generation students so that they do not feel left out. Third, expand the reach of universities to remote areas so that talented children is village do not lose hope just because it's of distance and cost. And fourth, creating a campus culture that judges success not only by academic but by courage, resilience, and social contribution. Ladies and gentlemen, it may be true that higher education cannot solve all problems, but without higher education, our fight against inequality will be much more difficult because knowledge empowers, skills give power, and education, especially higher education, giving everyone the opportunity to stand on a equal footing, no matter what kind of background they come from, can build smart individuals, but also create a fairer, more equal, and more human society. In closing, let me reiterate higher education is not just a path to a career, but also a path to justice. But by one's own determination and ability, if we believe in justice, if we believe in equality, then we must believe in the power of higher education. Let us support higher education that is more open, more affordable, and more inclusive. Because when higher education is able to reduce inequality, it not only transform the life of individual, but also transform entire society. That's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.